Hi dears, welcome to Sri Vidya Study Circle. Nandan Trimurthulu, మీ Sri Vidya Master. Right. See, this is a very golden opportunity for intermediate studying students and intermediate completed students. Actually, maximum students కి ఇవి తెలియదండి. ఆ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ అవగానే మీరు ఆలోచించేది అందరూ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఏదైనా ఎంసెట్ ఆర్ జేఈఏ అంటారు లేదా డిగ్రీకి వెళ్తారు. But after intermediate, you have so many opportunities and so many ways are there. See, intermediate qualification తో జాబ్ కమ్ డిగ్రీ సర్టిఫికేట్ వస్తుంది. ఇది యూనిక్ ఆపర్చునిటీ, రియల్ యూనిక్. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ తోనే 56,000 to 1,77,500 రూపీస్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ తో ప్రపంచంలో ఎక్కడా లేదు. ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో కూడా లేదు. మీకు తెలుసు ఎక్కడ ఉందని ఇంటర్మీడియట్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ తో 56,100 to and 1,77,000 ఉందండి? లేదండి, నాకు తెలుసు లేదు. సో దిస్ గోల్డెన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. కానీ ఇది ఎన్డీఏ అండ్ ఎన్ఏ అని జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. 107 దిస్ ఇస్ సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. దిస్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ఆల్ స్టేట్స్. అన్ని స్టేట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ రాయించండి. ఆంధ్ర తెలంగాణ ఆల్ కేటగిరీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కెన్ రైట్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఆంధ్ర తెలంగాణ, ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియా. So this is the golden opportunity. Listen carefully. Total 117 pages document is there. Already I provided in our app. మన యాప్ లో ప్రొవైడ్ చేశాను. ఈ all education opportunities, education notifications, job opportunities notifications అన్ని మన యాప్ లో ప్రొవైడ్ చేశాను. You can see. But now listen, main points I have explained. I will explain here. Any inter officer job plus degree certificate, they will be provide. You don't need to study extra degree. They will be provide to you BA or BCom or BSc certificate. Okay, Randy? Now come to the point. How to this is NDA exam, National Defence Academy, Navy Academy. National Defence Academy and Navy Academy. Here Army, Navy, Air Force. త్రివిధ దళాలు అంటారు. వీటిలో జాబ్స్ అనమాట. See, salary starts from 56,100 to 1,77,500. Yeah, this is starting salary, not ending salary. See, my dear students, after the intermediate అయిన తర్వాత మీరు బీటెక్ చదివి 4 years బీటెక్ చదివిన తర్వాత చేస్తే జాబ్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ అలా కాదు, ఓన్లీ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ తోనే జాబ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సాలరీ జాబ్ చేసుకుంటూనే మనం సర్టిఫికెట్. గోల్డెన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. ఎలా రాయాలి? దీనికి ఎక్స్ట్రా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలా? నో నీడ్ మై డియర్స్. సేమ్ ప్రిపరేషన్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ టు యూ, సేమ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ తోనే ఒకే ఒక ప్రిపరేషన్ ఉండాలి. ఆ ప్రిపరేషన్ తో అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయాలి ఆ రిలేటెడ్ సిలబస్ మీద అని చాలా సార్లు చెప్పాను. సుమారుగా 13 ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఐ విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ దట్ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఆల్సో. కమ్ టు హియర్. అప్లై బిఫోర్ January 9th 2024. January 9th లోపు అప్లై చేయాలి. స్టిల్ టిల్ 6 o'clock. ఈవినింగ్ 6 o'clock లోపు అప్లై చేయాలి ఆన్లైన్. ప్రొవైడెడ్ అఫీషియల్ వెబ్సైట్ లింక్ and official documents. 117 pages documents I will be provide to you right here. Exam. How? When is exam? April 21st. No problem. Second year exams are going to completed at March 20th, I think. March 28th is the last date. So you have 1 month time is there. JEE main students, they can write very easily. No need preparation. JEE after exams, just within 10 to 20 days enough for this preparation. 10 to 15 days enough. That is, what is that preparation? Maximum 50 to 60 questions they have to prepare. But no problem. Out of 600 marks, they have to prepare 60 marks only. That is nothing but 60 questions. I think 60 questions they have to prepare. That's it. That is nothing but social related. I will explain that also. Wait. Now, the exam April 21st. Exam. This is the salary from starting. Intermediate అయిన వెంటనే starting you will get the salary from 2025 January, because they will start the session from their training from January 2025. Here application date is, last date is January 9th. You have to apply as early as possible. Exam is on April 21st 2024. Stage 1. Here 2 stages are there. Stage 1 is consisting 2 exam papers. Paper 1, paper 2. Very easy. Don't worry, I will explain. Stage 2 is just like interview, SSB. That is nothing but I will provide everything. In Telugu and English also I will provide in our app. In my app lo unnai. Free. No need to pay anything. Free registration. You can log in in our app free. No need to pay anything. All information you will get freely. If you want to classes, then you have to pay. Right? Paper 1, mathematics consisting 300 marks. But here only 120 questions. 300 marks, 120 questions. Each question carries 2.5 marks. Okay, Randy? But here negative marks there, so we will be safe. If there is no negative marks, all students can write. If negative marks are there, who will prepare well? They can achieve their goal. Okay, na? Right. Here, math paper 1, that is math 300, no need preparation because already we are preparing same syllabus. 300 marks there. But here, which topics we should prepare more, I will be sent to you. Which topics? No need completely, 26 chapters are there totally here, mathematics. No need prepare 26 chapters. Which topics you have to prepare, I will provide to you. Right, 300 marks. And paper 2 consisting, here 600, total 900 marks, here 600. Out of 600, 200 English, 400 GK. GK means again here, physics, chemistry, general science, here 50 marks, and social related 50 marks. This one only you have to prepare after JEE exam, no problem, don't worry. Right, come to here. Here, general ability, paper 2 is general ability. In this general ability, 200 plus 400, 200 general English. Now you are preparing intermediate, same English. But you have to do practice only. Yeah, I will tell how to prepare the model papers and previous papers, no, don't worry. So, 200 general exam, general English. Okay, na? How many questions? Only 50 questions. 50 into 4, each question 4 marks. Here, 4 marks. 50 into 4, each question 4 marks, 4 into 50, 200 marks. Here, 400 questions, sorry, 400, yes, 400 marks here. This is marks only, 400 marks, 200, 600, 400 marks. But here how many? 100 bits. 100 bits means 100 into 4, 400 bits. From that 100 bits, science related 50 bits are there, social related 50 bits are there. Kata. Very easy. Here total ones out of 600, 150 questions, from 1 to 150 questions, 50 mathematics, 50 English, 100 in 100, 50 science related, 50 social related. That 50 social related questions only you have to prepare, but 15 to 20 is enough. But no problem. Out of 900 marks, only 50 to 50 questions only, don't know. Remaining all you know. But here see the qualifying marks for stage 2 only 25%. Only 25% for all the students, for all the category. What is this? Very easy, my dear. But don't know maximum students. Every year this exam they are conducting 2 times per year. Very good an opportunity. ఒక్కసారి నువ్వు జాబ్ కొడితే తరతరాలు ఎక్స్ సర్వీస్ మ్యాన్ అని వచ్చింది, రిజర్వేషన్ వస్తుంది కదా. నువ్వు ఒకసారి ఇంజనీర్ అయ్యావు అనుకో, నువ్వు ఒక్కడితోనే అంతమైపోతుంది. తర్వాత నువ్వు జాబ్ మానేస్తే రూపాయి ఎవరా కంపెనీ, ఏ కంపెనీ కూడా ₹1 కూడా ఇవ్వదు. ఇస్తుందా? ఇవ్వదు. నువ్వు ఎంత బాగా చేసినా సరే. బట్ ఆర్మీ పెన్షన్ వస్తుంది. తర్వాత జనరేషన్ కి రిజర్వేషన్ వస్తుంది, ఎక్స్ సర్వీస్ మ్యాన్ అని. చాలా దిస్ వెరీ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ జాబ్ అనమాట. సరే, యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ సర్వీస్ ఫర్ ద ఇండియన్, for the society and people. Yes, okay na? Army or Navy or Air Force. That is Triveda Dalalu antaru. Excellent opportunity. Try to write. So last date January 9. This is the very important information. This type of all informations providing in our app srividyastudysircle.testpress.in. Already Play Store available ga undi, Play Store lo, or otherwise you can get from in description. In our video down, description is there. In description that app is there, app link is there. You can join, you can get every information. Not only this exam, so many exams are there. After 10th class, how many jobs are there, which jobs are there. After intermediate, what exams are there, which type of jobs are there, and after degree, which type of all the informations we are going to providing in our app. That is Srividya Study Circle. This is only Srividya Study Circle dot, no gap, Srividya Study Circle dot testpress.in, or you can get from our description. Okay, thank you very much. Golden opportunity, don't miss, and try to send all the students. But here one thing is there, 1/3 negative marks is there. 1/3 negative marks means you know very well. If you write 3 questions wrong, that 3 questions and 1 questions will be left, will be loose from your marks. That is nothing but 1/3. Okay, golden opportunity. God bless you. Boys and girls also can apply, and Army, Air Force, Navy. This is a permanent job, not part-time job, and job plus degree certificate. No need to ready extra degree. You no need to prepare. No need to study extra degree. They will provide certificate. This is very powerful, very valuable certificate than regular degree certificate. Okay, na? You can see in our UPSC, Union Public Service Commission.go.in website. Okay, na? God bless you. All the best. Please try to send all the students. This very important and golden opportunity. Maximum students don't know. That's why. But in next video, you will learn how to get easy, how to win easy the 2024 JEE. Okay, na? God bless you.